Next, and the new topic for you, as we have already discussed about assertion and reason type questions. You can observe the direction before it was, we are going to give the question here. In each of the following questions, that is 5 questions you will get based on assertion and reason, children. A statement is given and a following by a reason. A statement will be given, that is the assertion will be given, and followed by assertion a reason will be given here. You can see here also there are 4 options are present. Option A, B, C and D. By seeing the statement and reason, you have to choose which is the correct one. You can see the option A, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of a given assertion. That is the question. That is the first option. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of an assertion here. C option is assertion is true, but reason is false here. And D one is assertion is false, but the reason is true here. So let me go with one of the question here. Assertion, a statement is given. The geometric representation y equals to 2 is a straight line parallel to y-axis they have given. That is the statement here. Accordance with the statement, the reason is the graph of x equals to a is a straight line parallel to y-axis they have given. So you know that when the graph y is equals to 2 means, how is the graph you will get? The graph you will get, if y is equals to 2 means, it will be straight line which is parallel to x-axis, not the y-axis. If for example question is x equals to 2 is there means, it is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Okay, that is you have already known. So that means the graph of x equals to a is a straight line which is parallel to y-axis. If x value is given, the graph will be parallel to y-axis. If y value is given, the graph should be parallel to x-axis here. By seeing this, you can observe the reason is true here, but the assertion which is given is wrong here. What should be the correct one? It is a straight line parallel to x-axis should be there. So according with that, what is the option you are going to write here? You can see D option. Assertion is false, but reason is true here. Why this option means? Option A is not possible. Both assertion and reason is not correct. Option B is also not possible. Since both are correct, they are saying. Option C is saying assertion is true and reason is false. Here assertion itself is wrong. So which is the option? Option D, assertion is false, but reason is true here. So what you will write? 6-1 option D, assertion is false, but the reason is true here. Okay, if you write like this, this is the answer for the given question here. So I hope you have understood how to write an assertion and reason type questions. So as you have known, section B and section C and section D are short or long answer type question. That is 2, 3 and 5 marks questions here. So you can observe I have taken one of the question based on graph. Remember you have graph in a linear equation in 2 variable chapter. So graph questions will also be occurring in the exam here. So you can observe one of the question I have taken. If x plus y is equals to 4, you have to draw the graph for the following question here. So while if you want to draw the graph, you know you require 2 points here. That is 2 solution is required. So let me take when x equals to, let me solve here itself. So I think you can see I have written section B here and I have made a column in a given sheet here. Section B, first question, maybe it will be like 21st question will be there, because first main section A will be 20 question. The section B will be 21st question you will get. So the question first you have to write x plus y is equals to 4 here. So how the format you have already known. When x equals to 0, so what is the y value you will get? 4. You have to find out 2 solution here. When x equals to 4 here, what is the y value? I'll get 0 here. So at last, this is a very important in a graph, that is you have to make a column. When x equals to 0, y equals to 4. When x equals to 4, y is equals to 0. So accordance with that, you have to draw a graph here. To draw the graph, remember, take one graph sheet here. That is required here. So, and you have to write the question number. For example, if it is 21 question, write the 21 question. It is enough if you write in pencil itself. It is good. So, 21 scale should be there. This is very important, children, because the graph will contain 2 marks here. So, question number is required, scale is required, and after drawing the graph, points is required. So, I have drawn a scale here, x-axis, this is y-axis. So, first one is 0, 4 here, this is 0, 4. So, you have already known 0, 4, you have to mention here. Next is 4, 0, that is this one, 4, 0. So, remember, along with answer sheets, graph is also required. Because this also you want to maintain the hard copy, at last you have to send it. So keep the graph sheets also along with the answer sheets. So here scale also I have to mention, x-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit, y-axis 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit here. So let me draw here. So you can observe I have drawn a line here which is joining 2 points, and I have written which is the equation for that. So this is required after you have written everything here, and it should be there in the graph sheet also.